It's mind-blowing that living on the Gold Coast gives you such an amazing lifestyle and incredible weather, yet it is still considered affordable to buy a property here. We're in the heart of the city of the Gold Coast and the suburb called Service Paradise, and you can literally buy a unit in one of those buildings behind me, literally across the road from the beach for under $1 million. The same kind of property in any major city around the world usually costs millions of dollars. Since 1930 though, Gold Coast has been a tourist destination, and so that's why there are a lot of older buildings here next to the beach, which is why there's huge potential for renovation. Today I'm going to show you a unit built in 1985. We helped a client buy and renovate, and 6 months later it has grown more than $500,000 in value while making a decent return through Airbnb. So let's check it out. We helped this client to buy this property in late November 2023, and since 1985 it has already been renovated once before by the first owner. As you can see, the design was already dated. And what we liked about the unit is that it is a corner unit on the second top floor, so it has 180 degrees views and heaps of natural light, meaning plenty of potential for renovation. So welcome to the property after renovation, and you see we went with a coastal design with a bit of a Japanese elements. Our furniture choices are rather in a neutral tones with green accents to bring a pop of color. We're in the living room here, and one of the biggest difference you can see here is the flooring. Because of the old tiles and carpets in the middle before, we had to dig them all up to apply this timber flooring. It's not actually real wood, but a specific hybrid flooring with a mix of laminate and vinyl. So it's actually more durable, particularly for Airbnb as well. Because real wood, it's very expensive when it comes to replacing it or maintaining it. Timber flooring generally makes a lot of noise when you walk on it. Most apartments here on the Gold Coast need the flooring to achieve a certain acoustic level to actually comply with the body corporate restriction. This blackwood color flooring also gives the apartment a bright coastal vibe throughout. What lightens up the place the most as well is definitely the wall and ceiling paint. Older apartments tend to use this slightly grey or beige color white, but you can see how brighter the property looks by just reapplying this new white color. The color we always use is Lexicorn Quarter from Dulux. We're not sponsored by them. The major reason why this property has grown so much in value is because of this wall. By adding this wall, this apartment has now gained a new bedroom. But you know, not every property can add another bedroom. This is only possible because this is a corner unit with a big spread of windows in the living room. Although this bedroom wasn't originally a bedroom, but it's now very functional, still got their own access to the balcony with amazing ocean view. We don't usually spend a lot of money into renovating properties specifically for Airbnb, but we spend a little bit more than usual specifically for this kitchen. Normally when we renovate properties for Airbnb, we'll just change the cupboards covers and replace the bench top. But the owner of this property wanted to spend more to do it once and for all, so they don't have to redo the renovation again for at least 10 years. There used to be a fridge cavity on the side of the bench top. We removed it and made an island bench top in the middle. Now the kitchen can be accessible on both sides of the island bench top, and the overall space looks bigger. We also curated this feature cupboard wall at the back of the kitchen using this vibrant oak color timber. We built in the fridge to make it all seamless, and also rearranged the cabinets as well to create more storage space. In this renovation, you'll see a lot of elements actually inspired by the Japandi style, including this master bedroom. That's why we customized this bed head and side tables next to the bed using the same timber as the kitchen, creating this minimalistic vibe that complements the views. To add a little luxury, we also added this LED light behind the bed head, not to mention about the blinds. You wouldn't believe how much time people actually spend every day rolling blinds here on the Gold Coast because the sun is always shining. So having these automatic blinds is just convenient, isn't it? Lastly, we're in the third bedroom right next to the entrance. This is not about the renovation, but we set up a bunk bed with a pull-out trundle in this bedroom. In our experience, 3-bedroom properties tend to attract larger group of families. Having this bunk bed is a pretty good option, allowing 5 extra people to actually stay in here, also benefiting the Airbnb search ranking as well. But it doesn't mean that it's always full. So overall, we spent about $100,000 into renovating and also buying the furniture here. 3-bedroom renovated properties in the area are already selling for around $1.5 to $1.6 million. So the owner has already made more than $300,000 after just 6 months. The Airbnb performance has also been great as a 3-bedroom property with an average of $450 daily rate and 75% occupancy. It generates close to 8% return before the ongoing costs. If you want to stay in this property, feel free to check out the Airbnb link down in the description below. So that's it for today. If you're looking to buy a property on the Gold Coast, please feel free to check out our website. We specialize in buying and renovating properties like that. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.